First, we need to disable the built-in battery. So I'm going to disconnect the power adapter. Press the power button and tap the F1 key. Once the computer is in setup mode, navigate to the config menu and then down to the power menu. Hit enter. Navigate down to disable built-in battery and hit enter. Hit enter again, and the built-in battery is disabled. Press the latch marked with a 1 to the unlocked position. Press the latch marked with a 2 to the unlocked position and hold it, and slide the battery out of the slot. Now we need to loosen the screws in the bottom cover. Use a spudger or non-metallic pry tool to pry up the edges around the bottom cover. Lift the cover from the system. Disconnect the internal battery from the system board. Connect the internal battery cable to the system board. Place the bottom cover into position. Press down around the edges to lock the clips. Tighten the screws. Place the battery into position and slide it forward to lock it in place. To re-enable the built-in battery, just connect the power adapter.